Over 390 people have gotten this ebook. I've written this ebook on commercial oil palm plantation, and I'm giving it out for free. So while I was doing my research and writing a comprehensive business plan for a client that wants to go into commercial oil palm plantation business, I decided to compile the entire findings that I have, both physical market survey, reaching out to people, experts who have been into the business for a long time. I collated all the information and I wrote a book, and I gave the book free out yesterday to people who are in my close WhatsApp channel. And one of the reasons why you're getting to hear this for the first time is because you are not in my close WhatsApp channel. What are you waiting for? Check the comment section and join so you don't miss it next time, because this book is going to be there for just a limited period of time and you will not see it again. So hurry and join the channel, because I'll be dropping more free tools to help you get knowledge in agriculture, so you don't want to miss. So now, what is the content of this ebook? This ebook is majorly for people who want to invest into commercial oil palm plantation. You know, for years now, Nigeria has abandoned what made Nigeria money. Because we discovered crude oil, we left what made Nigeria money. And countries that came to Nigeria to tap from these resources are the one making billions, sending back the product to us. Do you know that currently Nigeria is importing palm oil from Malaysia, from different parts of the world, worth over 600 million US dollars? And these figures are not decreasing, because as our population is increasing, there is also more demand for these things. And you and I watching me right now, you can tap into this business. So as a consultant, I felt that let me be dropping some investment opportunities in agriculture public, so that if you're fortunate or you see one and you have done your own personal research and you're good to go with it to invest. Why I do this again is because people reach out to me every day. I have this amount, what can I invest in agriculture? And because I cannot answer everyone, I drop videos, ideas, business ideas. Many times they are not new ideas that people have not done. People are doing it, but on a small scale. Many people have stopped planting palm trees in Nigeria, not because they hate it, but because the setup cost, many farmers cannot. So we still are eating from what our great parents planted for us. So what are we going to leave for our kids? It therefore means, before you know, real estate companies will buy those things, clear everything up and sell the empty lands. So we don't have to wait for that kind of a thing. So that is why the ebook is there. I've also written and completed the full business plan, which I'm also going to attach the link. That one you're going to pay, but very, very slow, very, very small amount of money. You can check it and you see. But for the ebook, it's free of charge. So you have two options: either to download the free book, study it, write your own business plan by yourself, is fine, or you get the free book and also get the business plan, settle with it, study it, so that you can make wise investment decision. Now, this free ebook is not going to be free forever. So maybe by the time you're watching this video, it might not be free, but in the next 24 hours, I can guarantee that it's going to be free just for my community here on YouTube, because many people here have not seen it, because I was yet to alert people here that I've designed such a document. So if you are interested in investing in palm plantation, go ahead and get the book, and I wish you good luck. My name is Dennison. You can call me Billionaire Farmer.